Morning Year 4, hope you're well. I'm going to be doing today's maths lesson, which is going to follow on from yesterday's, but today we're going to be doing 3 digit times 1 digit using the ladder method. For our starter today, can you have a go at these calculations, jot them down and then come back for the answers? Mark your work, how did you get on? Now can you use those calculation answers to work out the next set of calculations? You can see that it is 100 times bigger, so use 6 times 5 to work out 6 times 500. Jot it down and then come back for the answers. Have a look and mark your work. How did you get on? You're going to need this today, so well done. What's the big picture? We can use our knowledge of place value and times tables to multiply larger numbers using a formal written method. Our key vocabulary for the lesson: digit, multiply, ones, tens, hundreds, total and multiplication. Think about yesterday's lesson. Work out this calculation using the ladder method. Jot it down and then come back to see. How did you do? Did you remember to partition the 2-digit number into tens and ones? Well done. How can we work out 125 times 4? What's different about this calculation from yesterday? That's right, it's a 3-digit times 1, not 2-digit times 1. Look at how we can solve it. We set it out in exactly the same way, but this time you need to partition hundreds, tens and ones. So this one would be 100, 20 and 5. We start with the ones, so 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 20 equals 80. And 4 times 100 equals 100. And then we add those together to get the final answer of 500. Have a go at this one in your books on a piece of paper. 5 times 132. I've put the layout there so you can follow it. Have a go and then come back. How did you do? 132 partitions into 100, 30 and 2. 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 30 is 150 and 5 times 100 is 500. You add them together and you get 660 as your answer. Well done. Now we've had a go together, can you have a go at these two on your own? Jot down the answers and make sure you write it in the ladder method and then come back and see how you got on. Here's the answer to the first one. How did you do? And here is the answer to the second one. Well done. Here's part of the main lesson where you're going to be doing in your books. So you can choose chili 1, 2 or 3. You can do all of them, or you can start with chili 2 and push yourself onto chili 3. Remember, it's your choice. Look at the tables that you are using. So chili 1s, 2s and 5s. Chili 2s are looking at 3s, 4s and 8s. And chili 3s are looking at 6, 7s, 8s and 9s. Pause the video, have a go in your books and then come back for the answers. Good work, guys. Now it's time for you to mark them. This is chili 1 answers, so pause the screen so that you can mark your chili 1 work. I've taken off the jottings on the side so it would fit on one page, but you can see the answers. This is chili 2's answers, so mark your work. How did you get on? And these are chili 3 answers. Well done. Now you've done the fluency part, let's see if you can apply it to a problem-solving point. Again, you could do all of the chilies or choose the chili that you would normally work on in school. Chili 1 says, Jack thinks that 146 times 5 equals 725. Is he right? Complete the calculation using the ladder method to see if he's correct. See if you can see where he might have gone wrong. Chili 2. Jack thinks that 248 times 3 is 744 and Ahmed thinks it equals 752. Who is correct? Don't forget to use that ladder method to check. And chili 3 is a prove it, one of my favourites, and always, sometimes or never. So when multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, the product has 3 digits. So is this always, sometimes or never true? And then when multiplying a 2-digit number by 8, the product is odd. Is that always true, sometimes true, or never true? And you'll need to put some examples down to prove it or disprove it. Pause the video and then have a go in your books. This is where you can check your work. So chili 1, Jack is incorrect. He put 6 times 5 equals 25 instead of 30. So you can see from the ladder method underneath there that it actually equals 730, not 725. For chili 2, Jack is correct this time round. You can see that 3 times 8 is 24, and I think that's where Ahmet went wrong. I think he worked out that 3 times 8 was 32. So the answer is 744. Well done. How did you get on with chili 3? If you have a look at the first one, when multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, the product has 3 digits. Well, if you looked at 12 times 2, the answer is 24, so it's only got 2 digits as the answer, as the product. Whereas 23 times 5 has 3 digits, so it is sometimes true. And then the one where it says, when multiplying a 2-digit number by 8, the product is odd. It's never, because all multiples of 8 are even. Well done on your work today, guys. I've checked on TT Rockstars on Monday, the 11th of January. I looked at coins this week. I decided to put 2 children from each class this time. So 4B is John P and Zoe D. Well done. 4M is Polly P and Erin L. Well done. 4EP is Tyler W and Poppy P. Excellent. And 4S is Izzy and Izzy. Super work, guys. Here are your dojo points. Fantastic work. Remember to send your maths work to year4@franchprimary.worcester.scu.uk. Well done. See you tomorrow, guys.